Merry Christmas everyone, this is JD from Benchmark, and today I'm going to show you how to copy objects in MicroSurvey CAD.
So say I want to copy these objects over to the right. First, go up to the top and click Edit. Then move down and click Copy. Next, select all of the objects that you want to copy over and hit Enter. Now, in order to make your copy, you have to select the point of origin. So I'm going to click at the vertex, and now you can see that everything I selected is following my cursor around. To paste it, just click. Furthermore, you can keep on pasting multiple times by continuously clicking wherever you want the objects to go. To finish, hit Enter. And that's about it. Please consider liking and subscribing. It really helps us out. And if you have any questions about this video or about any others on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit our website at bench-mark.ca.